That sounds good to me. Well, she was just 17. If you know what I mean, and the way she looked was way beyond compare. Oh, how could I dance with another? Ooh, I saw her standing. When she looked at me, and I could see that before too long I fell in love with her. Oh, how could I dance with another? Ooh, when I saw her standing there. Well, my heart went boom when I crossed that room. Yeah, I held her hand in mine. Well, we danced through the night, and we held each other tight. And before too long, I fell in love with her. Now I'll never dance with another. Ooh, when I saw her standing there. Well, my heart went boom when I crossed that room. Yeah, I held her hand in mine. Well, we danced through the night, and we held each other tight. And before too long, I fell in love with her. Now I'll never dance with another. Ooh, when I saw her standing there. Well, since I saw her standing there. Oh, since I saw her standing
Good morning, Gamer, ladies and gentlemen. You know, and just a touch of irony tonight. You notice that we had Joe Satriano earlier, and he has a couple of ironic things. Number one, Joe Satriano's son was a classmate of Scott Martin's at Oceanside High School, right?
Absolutely. Brilliant.
You and Jay Bird love the Beatles, is that correct?
Absolutely.
Joe Satriano does a huge fundraiser every year at Oceanside High School with Strawberry Fields Forever. So we got all that. We got Oceanside, sons going to school, Beatles, we got all these connections tonight. And Mayor went to school with Perry. So we got a lot of connections going on tonight. All right.